plate attaches here, and you can see it's just completely rotted. One that's just in really bad shape on both sides.
I think so. It's counting up
Okay.
in seconds, and it's got a beepy red light.
That looks like recording then.
Cool. So what are we doing today?
Well, we just measured the rough dimensions of the bulkhead so we can get a replacement piece of wood for that. And right now I am removing the cover off what I think is the water tank so that we can see how the rest of this bulkhead is attached.
Oh god, those lines are nasty.
Yeah. Okay, so it looks like we've got 3 bolts.
Do you think that's going into the bulkhead?
Yes, I do. I think these
Those are the ones back there.
Yeah, these are.
Gotcha.
They're like these,
Gotcha.
but they go right there. Okay, well I think I understand enough how to do this. So we're going to find a piece of 1/2-inch marine ply from somewhere. We're gonna cut it. This looks like it's 4 feet on the long end to me, like almost exactly. All right, and under 2 feet here. So we need a 2 foot by 4 foot piece of 1/2-inch marine ply. Best I can tell, it is not actually glassed into the hull at all. It's just bolted and screwed into the rest of these fixtures. So this should come out really easy. This might be a one-day job, he says, dooming himself. All right, and then we got to take a look at that. We got to get the chain plate off so we can take a look at that, which maybe we should almost do that now, because if the chain plate needs to be, if we need to remake the chain plate because it's damaged, then we're gonna have to like find a metal shop, and that can set us back a couple of days. Okay.
I'd be surprised.
Let's do that.
That means we have to tie off the halyard though.
Means we gotta tie
or
off
the stay.
Yeah, we gotta tie that off. All right, let's do that.
Okay. Alright, plan. The next few steps.
Look at that. And the mast isn't going anywhere. All right, now I just gotta get this cotter and pin out. My guess is the standing rigging has never been replaced.
Yeah, he never replaced the sails. He never replaced the standing rigging.
That's a really good point. If you never replace the sails, you never replace the standing rigging. Let's not lose that.
Okay, and the mast is still standing.
We're not dead.
The mast is standing.
We didn't
It looks
damage
very
anybody
dark.
else's boat. We should probably like tie this off to something, right?
Do I just like duct tape it to the mast?
No, let's like zip tie it or something. You can grab some zip ties out of the thing.
There's zip ties in the thing?
There's... I don't remember. Check.
Okay.
Alright. Now, yeah, you can hear it. The boats around us, their halyards are smacking against the mast. When I looked at the weather, I thought we were done with the high winds for now. So now I'm feeling pretty stupid. I haven't disconnected that. What do you think?
I think we're fine, but I can't get the radar to show anything.
Well, it's there.
Yeah, like on the thumbnail, it's there, but if you click it to get more information, it's not.
Alright, well, wish us luck.
Is that the last screw?
This is the last screw that we can see, and we hope it's the last screw. Why is it not coming? Pretty sure I can see the bottom right there. It's still connected.
Is there something down here that's connecting it?
No, I don't think so.
But that's where it's tight, is down there?
I think so.
It's stuck at the bottom. I don't think it's the top.
It's stuck at the bottom, she thinks. Where at the bottom? It's like it's just pinched right here or something.
Can we trade?
Sure.
So bottom part is not budging.
Down here.
Yeah.
How do you think this is attached? Can we take this off? So probably not without breaking something. He says as he pulls it straight off. Here we go. Ha!
Is there another screw?
Yes. Right there.
You want me to switch with you or stay over here?
Stick your head through the hatch to cool off.
Okay.
Ha! Little screw. The hidden screw.
What just fell?
Don't worry about it. It's stuck behind this, and it's stuck behind the sink on this side.
Oh god. Try not to do that too much. I mean, we're trying to trace this thing.
Yeah, fuck.
Hey, hey.
All right. Oh yeah, look at how rotted
There
this
is
thing
some
is.
Rotted wood.
This thing is garbage.
You're very sweaty.
Yeah, I bet. It's hot in here. Let's get this thing off my boat.
All right.
I think we just do it in the cockpit. It'll take 2 seconds.
Freaking rotten.
Isn't it? It's so bad.
Okay, so
So I'm just gonna keep this bucket under here, and I'm just gonna be done with it. It's gonna take 2 seconds.
sorry, I sweat on it. I'm gonna hold down over here with my butt.
Butt
Butt clamp.
butt clamp, butt cleat. That wasn't 2 seconds. Now you're giving me crap. You're like, we gotta do it all this fancy way, and then I get it done in 2 seconds. And you're giving me crap.
No, I'm not giving you crap that it took 2 seconds. I was just curious how long it was taking. So I counted it out, and it was 2 seconds.
Just like I said it was gonna be.
Yep,
All right,
you were right.
get up. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking. I'll do the rest of these real quick,
He won't these days.
just to test it. Yeah.
Well, he won't go through.
All right. Well, and the other one it obviously went through, so I want to drill them out a little bit bigger.
So that's what I was asking you. So you wanted the wood gauged with threads. You don't want the wood gauged with the threads. That's the right guy.
Ooh. Ta-da. Of course, I can't get the thing out.
Probably don't hit it with the lithium battery. You want to do one more fit?
I just want to put it in. All right, let's do it real quick.
Oh, sorry.
Let's fit it. So we're still fighting with trying to get these holes lined up. These little guys. Still fighting with trying to get these lined up with the bottom. With these 3 holes here. And we can kind of get one, but not the other 2. And on the old bulkhead, it looked like they had been kind of pulled and elongated. Or maybe they were drilled out twice at the factory. Not really sure. But we're gonna have to go maybe like a mil, maybe 2 mil at the bottom of each one, and make it a little bit wider or a little bit longer so they'll fit. Emily has run to the store to pick up some files or rasps.